Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna teach you on how to send money from your Coins.Ph wallet to payment centers like M Lhuilier and Palawan Pawn Shop. So first step na gagawin mo is you have to go to your Coins.Ph wallet app, and then once you are already in the dashboard, click cash out. After clicking cash out, you may choose where you gonna send your money, like to Palawan Pawn Shop or M Lhuilier. So for me, I'm gonna choose M Lhuilier kasi medyo mura lang yung service fee. So and then next is put the amount if how much yung isi-send mo sa yung loved ones or sa family mo. So I need to send worth 1,000 pesos. Yan. And then after inputting the amount, click done. So ayan guys. So the delivery time is within 10 minutes. And then the fee for 1,000 pesos is 10 pesos yung transfer fee. So you send 1,000 pesos plus 10 pesos for the service fee. It will be deducted from your Coins.Ph peso wallet. So next step is press this button next, and then you have to fill up next thing you have to do is you have to fill up the information, the information of the one who will receive the money. So you have to fill up here. So ayan na guys, I am already done inputting the details. So you have to recheck or double check if the details are correct. And then next is press next. So here are the details. Your next thing you have to do is slide to confirm. So once you confirm the details, they will send you an email they will send a code through your email. So we will check your email inbox. So here's an email from Coins.Ph. So ayan na, coins alert, you are sending funds out of your Coins.Ph wallet. So use this verification code to confirm this action. So you have to copy this code, select all, select, then copy. Then after that, go back to your Coins.Ph app. So ayan na, so you have to paste yung code, and then click, and then next thing is click submit. So next is they are generating your pickup code. So may text na magsisend sila ng text message. So, yan na yung lumalabas, guys. Your 1,000 pesos is ready for claiming at any M Lhuilier branch. So, you have to bring your IDs or your valid IDs para ma-claim mo yung um, pera na sinesend sa'yo. So, after the transaction was made, you can take a screenshot here para may details ka for the tracking number. And then next is you may also send this as message to your to the one who will claim the money. You can send through message or through messenger the tracking code. And then you may also copy this number. You can copy the tracking number, and then you can send to the one who will claim the money. And then back to home. So ayan guys, the 1,000 pesos was already deducted on my peso wallet account. Actually, it's not only 1,000, it's 1,010 pesos kasi may charge na 10 pesos sa service charge sa M Lhuilier. And then last week is nakapag-send na pala ako sa family ko. So I'm gonna show you the message from Coins.Ph once the money was claimed. Let's check my email. So here it is. Your money has been successfully transferred to M Lhuilier cash pickup. Thank you for using M Lhuilier Kwarta Padala. We have received confirmation that your M Lhuilier cash out transaction has already claimed. So, na-claim na yung sinend ko na pera sa family ko. This message is just a reminder that the money you've sent through to M Lhuilier is already claimed. So, yan lang ka-easy guys. And then, convenient pa. Especially ngayon is naka-quarantine tayo. We don't need to go to M Lhuilier or to any payment centers para lang magpadala sa ating loved ones or family. You can do it at home using this very easy and convenient na paraan using Coins.Ph app. So, and guys, I hope this video will help you a lot, especially this time of crisis na hinaharap ng bansa natin ngayon. So, yun lang po guys. If bago ka pa lang sa video na to, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then hit the notification bell para updated ka on my next video tutorials. So, yan lang guys. Thank you very much, and stay safe, stay at home. God bless.